I think Wall Street still sees the path forward as being that these tariffs don't last somehow or other. The reason we haven't seen even more of a sell-off than we have is a belief that this will make tax cuts, or at least, continuation of the first Trump term tax cuts, even more important. It will make deregulation even more important. It will light a fire under Republicans in Congress to make sure those things happen. But ultimately, there is a belief that this cannot hold. There will be some kind of a climb down. There is enough uncertainty about how exactly the climb down will happen and where it will end that you don't have calm in the markets, that you're not going to get stability in the markets. But there is still an ultimate belief that that's going to happen. If you look at the Fed funds futures market, there is confidence that the Fed is going to be cutting by a full percentage point this year, even though Jay Powell just said inflation looks worse than it did and I'm in no hurry to cut. But there is a belief that this is going to do economic damage and the Fed is going to have no choice but to cut. And there is also a belief, but it doesn't appear to be about the stock market. It will ultimately about polls and Republicans in Congress asserting themselves. But there is also a belief that politically there is a level that will force Trump to change his mind, to alter course.
I'm David Gurra, and this is The Big Take from Bloomberg News. Today on the show, the seismic effect President Trump's tariffs announcement is having. John Authers joins us, a senior markets editor for Bloomberg and a columnist for Bloomberg Opinion, to help us better understand what's happening and the impact President Trump's trade policy is going to have on global markets in the future.